Hey, my name is Jeff and I invented YOX, and now we're going to talk about how do you connect links to tubes. Now again, there are no rules with YOX, so you might discover some way of connecting links with stuff around your house that I've never thought of. But I want to show you a couple of ways that you can do it using links and some tubes that you might have around, like, I don't know, a toilet paper tube. So if you make this shape using two X links, connecting the two long slots, that's going to create an X shape. And that's going to allow you to take your round tube and make it into a bit of a square. And that square is applying pressure and allowing that to really have a strong fit. So that's connecting two X links to a toilet paper tube. You can also use a chip and any one of the other links, and again, make that X shape, then take your toilet paper tube, and that's gonna square out that tube, apply some pressure, and that is gonna make a nice, strong connection. The last way that you can connect links to tubes is by using one of these beams and any link. Connect that, and again, slot that right into a tube. You've got a nice, strong connection. Obviously, the strongest one is probably going to be the beam because there's a lot of pressure being applied to that tube. Now, the tubes you have around your house and the tubes that come with YOX might be slightly different. Tubes comes in a lot of shapes and sizes. If for some reason the tube that you are using is too loose, one thing you can do is take some tape and just wrap it around that tube to create more pressure. So those are some ways that you can connect YOX links and tubes, which leaves me just one more question. Do you think a porcupine knows it's sharp?
This is YOX.